As new sellers, we would love to check our sales all the time, right? It's great if it's always going upward, but what if we see a sales dip? Today, I'm going to talk about a checklist that you can go through quickly to self-diagnose any sales downward trend. First, I would go to the account health page to see if there is any policy warning, violation, or compliance issues that you have to deal with to get your listing reactivated. The dashboard is very self-explanatory and you should be able to spot the issues right away. Second place I would see is pricing health under pricing on Amazon. It will tell you if there's any of your ASINs loses buy box due to pricing issues. And third place I would look at would be the inactive listing tab under manage all inventory. It will show you all the listings that it's not active due to common reason out of stock or softer listing suppression issues such as any problems with your title, any problems with your images that cause listing suppressions. The fourth place, what if your PPC is not running due to payment failure? That's the fourth place I would look. If there is any payment issue with your PPC, it will show up on top of the PPC console page as a red banner and tell you that your PPC is currently paused because the payment doesn't go through. Now, the second part would be softer reasons why you see a sudden sales dip, including your active running coupon or your active running lightning deal or best deal. Are there any errors with them? If there is any error, you are going to see a need attention badge underneath that particular coupon or that particular deal so that you can go in quickly and fix it. Usually the common reason for deal or coupon suppression is also pricing issues. And then the promotions that are important to you, I would suggest that you go and check in and see if those promotions are expired without you knowing it or they're running out of budget already, which is also a reason why they're not running. The last thing I would check is the bestseller rank. It's on top of Amazon.com page. You can check for your niche, is your ASIN ranking well relative to other competitors? I actually check that daily to make sure my ASIN is well positioned within my niche. So those are all the checklists that we should quickly look. Happy selling!